Hi friends, welcome to our channel You to Learn. Today we will be learning about the words this and that. Okay. Hi children, today we have a new guest with us. See, he is my friend and his name is Jojo. Hi Jojo. Hello. Say hello to all. Hello. Today is your birthday, right? Yes, it's my birthday today. Okay, so I have a surprise for you. I have got two gifts for you. Okay. Oh, wow, is it? Where are the gifts? I want to see them. I am very excited to see the gifts. Please show me. See, here are your gifts. This is one gift. Okay. And that is another gift. This is one gift. And that is another gift. So, the condition here is that I can give you only one gift. This gift or that gift. Which one you want? Oh, you will give me only one gift? Okay. I have a doubt. Why are you telling us this gift and that gift? Okay, good question, Jojo. Because I am calling this as this gift because this is near to me. I can hold it with my hand sitting in my chair. But if I want to take that gift, then that is very far away from me. I have to go there and get that gift. So I am calling it as that gift. Okay, I understood. Now I want that gift. Oh, you want that gift? That is far away from me, so I have to go there and get it. See, here is your gift. Here is your gift, Jojo. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I will leave now. I'll show my gift to my mother. Bye. So children, Jojo has selected that gift. Yes? So the object which is near to us, it is called as this. And the object which is far away from us, it is called as that. This gift, that gift. This one, that one. Okay. So friends, hope you got an idea how to explain about the words this and that to children. Hope you like this video. Then please like, share and subscribe. I'll come again with another topic in my next video. Thank you. Bye.